Today I'm going to be reviewing weiship's 100-watt 3-port. Look at that. Charging block. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. With this, you are going to get a 6-foot USB-C to USB-C. You get the PD65. You get another USB-C and a USB-A. So a total of 100 watts. Going to charge your MacBooks, your laptops, or your phones quickly. Fast charger. On the other USB-C, you're going to get 20 watts. And on the USB-A, which is up here, you're going to get 18 watts of charging power. It's about how big it is, not too big. Having said all that, this does get 4.4 stars, 164 reviews. Now, I am showing that this is a frequently returned item, which I never like to see for charging issues. I didn't seem to have any issues, and this also comes with a 12-month guarantee. It's a great price. So maybe it's something you give a try, and if you have an issue, you can contact them and they're going to take care of you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.